Ah, you're here. Hello. You're all here to meet Peppa, aren't you? That's good. I'm Charlie, by the way. Give me a wave. Hello. Peppa and I have been looking for you all day. Right. Now that I found you, let's see if we can all find Peppa together. Have you seen her anywhere? I know. If we shout for her, I'm sure she'll hear us. Can you do that? Will you help me shout for Peppa? Yeah. Okay, after 3 then. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Where is she? I think we might need to shout a little bit louder than that. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
I'm looking for you everywhere.
And now you found them, Peppa.
Hello everyone. I'm Peppa, and this is my friend Charlie.
Well, hello everyone. Everyone's come out today. Our friends have come out to play. I'm so excited. You're all invited. Here with everyone today. We are gonna have such fun today. Great to see you. Nice to meet you. So wave, say hello. Welcome to the Peppa Show. Wave and say hello. We're all ready, so come on, let's go. Oh, it's so wonderful to see you all. Can you all give me a wave? Yeah, just like that. Let's go. So wave, say hello. Welcome to the Peppa Show. Wave and say hello. We're all ready, so come on, let's go. Oh, it's so lovely to see you all. I think it would be nice if you all told Peppa your names as well.
That would be very nice, Charlie. And then we can all be friends.
Okay, so everyone, after 3, shout out your name to Peppa as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, wow! So many new friends, Peppa.
But Charlie, I may not be able to remember all of those names straight away.
Oh, don't worry, Peppa. You can learn anyone's name with a little bit of help.
Can I?
Yes, you just need the Bing Bong song.
The Bing Bong song? That's my favorite song.
Mine too. Now let me show everyone how it works. Now, I think you all know this song, so let's try singing together with Peppa and have a practice. Now, first of all, we need some music, so let's see what happens if I do this. What about if I do this? Okay. What about if I do this? Hey, we found the music. You all do it with us. One more time. Arms up. It looks like we're ready. Let's go. Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, boo. I can't hear you. Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, boo. Great job, everybody. That was fantastic. You all got that.
What happens now, Charlie?
Now, when I sing the verses, there are places for everyone to shout out their names.
This is fun!
Yes, and everyone can join in. It can be quite hard when meeting new friends to remember everyone's names. There are some that are long, and some that are short, but they're not all the same. Laura, Bing, Bing, Bong, Bingly, Bongly, Boo. Yeah!
Now I know who everyone is.
You certainly do, Peppa. Great job, everybody. That was fantastic.
Charlie, now everyone's here. Do you think we can play some games together? Please?
Oh, I don't see why not. Would you all like to play a game with Peppa? I think Donna's answered that, don't you, Peppa? What would you like to play?
How about cooking?
Oh, cooking isn't really a game, Peppa. And besides, we haven't got a kitchen.
laughing.
Oh, laughing isn't really a game either, Peppa. We just laugh when something is funny.
Then what can we play?
I know. How about I Spy?
How do you play that, Charlie?
I'll show you. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow.
I can't see anything that's yellow, Charlie.
Well, what about everyone here? Do you see something that's yellow? What is it? Shout it out.
Oh, yes, I've got it. A banana.
That's right. Great job. All you have to do is find the right thing by looking for the color.
I like this game.
Me too. And everyone is going to play.
Can I go first, Charlie?
Yes, Peppa. You start and we'll all try to find the thing that you're thinking of.
I spy with my little eye something that is blue.
Ooh, that's blue. Oh, Peppa, the sky. Is it the sky?
No,
How about my t-shirt?
no,
Okay, how about that water bottle right there?
no. I don't think anyone will get it, Charlie.
Okay, Peppa, we give up. What is it?
Daddy Pig's umbrella.
Oh, good. Where is Daddy Pig's umbrella, Peppa? I can't see it anywhere.
He took it to work with him this morning.
Peppa, we're all meant to be able to see the thing we're trying to guess. Let's play another game. How about musical statues?
How do you play that?
I'll show you. Now, first of all, we need some music, which I've got right here. So when people hear the music, all you have to do is jump around as much as you can. Then you stop and I shout freeze. You have to stand as still as a statue.
I'm good at jumping around, Charlie. Especially when it's in a muddy puddle.
Oh, but I bet you're not as good at standing as still as a statue. All right, everyone stand up right where you are and let's have a practice together. That's it, stand up. Okay, now let's practice. Okay, jump down. And freeze. Okay, good job everybody. You can unfreeze now. Now, if I see anyone moving after I shout freeze, you have to sit out. And the last person to be caught out is the winner. Are you all ready? Yes! Then let's go! I see you, Peppa. And freeze! Do I see anyone moving over here? No. What about over there? No. Wow, you're all really good at this.
I'm standing very, very still, Charlie.
I know you are, Peppa. Let's have another go! And freeze!
I'm playing musical statues. I'm playing musical statues.
Peppa, you're meant to be standing still.
Oh, yes. Sorry, I forgot, Charlie.
Well, that means you're out of the game. Oh, never mind. Why don't you help me catch everyone else out? You just have to see who's moving.
Oh, good. I can do that.
Okay, so let's play this one last time to see if we can catch anyone else out. But this time I've got Peppa helping me, so you all have to be extra still.
I'm watching, everyone. Who can I catch out?
Hey, everybody jump around. Ooh, I see some good dancers out there. Good job, Peppa. And freeze. Okay, do I see anyone moving way in the back? No. What about up here? No. Do you see anyone, Peppa?
I'm looking very, very hard, Charlie. But they're all so good.
I can't see anyone moving.
Charlie, that means everyone is a winner.
Oh, you're right. Great job, everybody. Give yourselves a round of applause. You're all winners.
That was brilliant. I've had so much fun playing with all my friends.
So have I. And that you know everyone's names, you'll be able to play with them all again.
I love that!
So let's all look forward to playing together again soon. We'd love seeing you today, but there's more to do today. The fun and singing is just beginning. There's so much more outside to see, more shows and more rides to see. Are you ready? Get steady. Let's go. We're on our way. We hope you enjoy your day. Let's go. Enjoy your day. We're all ready, so come on, let's go. We're on our way. We hope you enjoy your day. Let's go. Enjoy your day. We're all ready. Let's be on our way.
That was so much fun!
It certainly was, Peppa. It was so wonderful to meet you all today, but now it's time for Peppa and I to say goodbye.